19th letter of Urdu alphabet is Swad. Swad. It is used in Arabic words. In Arabic, the pronunciation of Swad is different, but most of the Urdu speakers pronounce it as seen. Seen. So Urdu speakers don't differentiate between Sad and Seen. Now we take some words with Swad. Sub. Swad pesh su, and jazam over be sub, and hey, sub. Subh. Subh. When all these three letters are joined, it looks like this. Subh. Subh. Swad, be, and hey. Subh. Subh means morning. Subh means morning. When Sad is connected to other letters, what is its shape? For example, if we connect three Swads together, this is Swad in the beginning, this is Swad in the middle, and this is Swad at the last of the word. This is initial Swad, this is medial Swad, and this is final Swad. Sehat, Swad is si, Hezabra, and ta. Sehat. 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 Sehat means health. Sehat means health. Hesas. Hezer he, Swad zabar and Swad. Hesas. Hesas. Hesas means shares. 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 The 20th alphabet of Urdu, 20th letter of Urdu alphabet is Zwad. 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 Most of the Urdu speakers pronounce it as Z. They don't differentiate between Zwad and Z. But its pronunciation in Arabic is different. While in Urdu, generally it is pronounced as Z. Like Swad, its final, medial, and initial shapes are same. If we connect three Zads, Zad plus Zad plus Zad, its shape is like this. This is initial Sad, medial Sad, and final Sad. This is in the beginning of the word, this is in the middle of the word, and this is at the last of the word. Let's take some words with Zwad. 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 Zadir zid and dal zid. Zadir zid and dal zid. Zid means stubbornness. Zid means stubbornness. Khizab. Khizir khi, Zad alif za and be. Khizab. Khizab. Khizab means hair dye. Khizab means hair dye. Khizab, hair dye.